Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have another grocery subscription box video for you guys. This time we are unboxing Hungryroot, which this is actually Brendan and I's second shipment of it, but we ate through some of the food that we got in our last one before I could film a video, so I wanted to wait until I got a new one to show you guys. So let me remind myself how much we spent. I think it was about $80. $89.91. So basically $90 worth of groceries, but let's see if we think it's worth it. So one thing to know about Hungryroot is that when you sign up with them, they actually have like a little quiz that they do, so you can put if you're vegetarian or vegan or dairy-free, gluten-free, whatever it is, you can put that in there. And then they actually, you also put like your preferences, like your favorite foods, I think. And then they suggest recipes and your cart is automatically filled with those recipes. Personally, I don't really like the recipes. Let me say that I have not tried them, but I don't like that style. I just want to pick what groceries I want because Brendan and I eat pretty much the same foods most of the time. But so that's how I do it. I delete those groceries out and then I just add individual groceries. So I think I have about 43 credits and different items will be worth different amounts. So like shrimp might be 6 credits, but like a lime is 0.25 credits. It just depends on obviously the cost of that individual item. So we have 43 credits on Hungryroot that we get to use once a week. So let's get into this bad boy. Okay, so there is a very wet packing slip. I let this sit in our kitchen. Sorry for the crumpling. I let this sit in our kitchen overnight because I wanted to film a video of me actually unboxing it. So everything is still very cold. Even that piece of paper was very cold. So it lasts a good bit. They pack it really well. It's got this super thick thermal protection or whatever. So that's great. And then I've got the big old ice pack. Just put that in the sink. Alright, so the first thing that I have kind of on top are these carrot cake coconut cookies. I mainly got these because I had a couple of credits left and I didn't know what I should get, and I saw these and they are gluten and dairy free, as well as organic, and Brendan loves carrot cake and I always want him to have something yummy to eat since his diet is so limited right now. So I just picked these out and I'm really hoping that they're yummy and he enjoys them because it'll be a nice little healthy but yummy snack for him. More packing stuff. Oh. Okay, so this is like a brown paper bag of stuff. Let's see what's in here. Looks like I have 2 bags of, this looks like kale. Yeah, It says 2 things of organic green kale. I do not at all remember putting this in my basket, so I'm not 100% sure if it's an add-on or if I accidentally put it in there and just didn't realize. But so I've got 2 really big bags of kale. Also in this little bag, I've got some scallions. Sorry, I was reading the thing. It says, don't trash those scraps. Place scallions root down in glass of water and watch them grow tall and strong. So I've actually grown scallions in my garden out there. But yeah, I've just got some fresh scallions. I've got 1 lime. I figured I could add this to some avocado and have a nice guacamole or nice spread to put on some tacos or something. I've also got some organic Italian parsley. It looks like it is on its last leg of freshness though, so I'm gonna have to eat this like quick. So maybe I'll make some guacamole tonight. Then I've got a bag of baby spinach. Wow, we ordered a lot of greens this go around. We're gonna have to eat through these really quickly. So yeah, big old bag of fresh spinach. I'll go through our pastas and starches next. So first I got, ooh, it's dripping. First I got a thing of the cauliflower gnocchi. I really like gnocchi, and the cauliflower one is much better for us because it's gluten-free, so Brendan can eat it as well. There's actually a really good recipe in one of my cookbooks, so I kind of want to get the ingredients again and make it again. But cauliflower gnocchi is good if you like any kind of pasta dish. Just having this for the pasta that you would use is awesome, and it's so easy to cook. I also got the cauliflower linguine. I've never had cauliflower pasta before other than like the gnocchi, if you consider that pasta. So I figured I would try this. It is gluten-free, obviously, for Brendan, and I just figured it would be a yummy pasta alternative for us that he can eat. Next up, I did get a couple of non-dairy products. First, I got these Via Life mozzarella shreds. I actually love the vegan mozzarella like on a pizza. I don't know why, it just tastes like herby and yummy to me, so I saw they had it and I got it because I figured I would make something with it. And then I also got this dairy-free sour cream. It says it's almond and coconut based, and I'm not sure, but we're going to try it. It makes me a little nervous. I don't think I'll make something where I just put sour cream on top of it, but I'll make like a sauce that I use sour cream in and see how I like it. But I really like this because I noticed that a lot of vegan products have a bunch of chemicals and stuff in them to try and make them, you know, taste and texture-wise feel like the real thing. But this one really doesn't. It's almond milk, coconut oil, rice starch, coconut milk, maltodextrin, which I really don't know what that is. That's kind of the only ingredient where I'm like, huh? Chickpea protein and salt and cultures. So seems pretty okay. I didn't check out the vegan cheese. This probably has more weird words in it than the other one. Filtered water, coconut oil, food starch, modified potato and corn. Cornstarch, mozzarella flavor, it just says vegan sources, olive extract, beta carotene, vitamin B12, powdered cellulose added to prevent caking. So also a pretty good mixture for a vegan product. Nothing super chemically in there for the most part, which is great. Next up, I've got some veggies. This is roasting vegetables with herbs. This is the second one I've gotten of this. I actually haven't made the one that we already have in the fridge yet, but it's turnips, rutabaga, sweet potato, rosemary, and thyme. And I just figured this would be a good way to have some healthy, good carbs at dinner time. And also, I love sweet potato. Turnips I don't really have very often. I can't remember really what they taste like. Rutabaga, I haven't had rutabaga in like a long time, so I don't really remember what that tastes like. But I'm sure this baked on a baking sheet with a drizzle of olive oil is probably really yummy, and I'm excited to try it. So, little roasting vegetables. Then I got a lot of different fruit. First, I got two avocados, because I'm constantly eating avocados, and I like that they send you really green ones so that they have plenty of time to ripen up and they don't get smushed in your order. I'm totally okay with getting super underripe ones and just letting them, you know, soften over time. That's definitely better than getting one that's super bruised and smashed, I think. Then I've got 4 oranges. Brendan eats like 1 or 2 oranges a day. He loves oranges, and they're a safe food for him, so he lives on these. So oranges are always a good grocery for us to have. I got 2 apples because I like apples, and they looked good. Okay, then I got a thing of grapes. These are red seedless grapes. They seem pretty well packaged. They're a little loose in there, but they don't look like they're bruised or smushed or anything like that, so that's good. But we didn't have any grapes recently, so I figured I would order these just to have some variety, because sometimes a healthy diet is just a lot of variety. Then Brendan actually loves applesauce, so I got him these it says applesauce packed with brain fuel, omega-3s, and choline. Boosts immunity, no added sugars. I don't know about all that, but he just likes applesauce, so I got some of these, and I figured these would be a good little snack for him if he just wants something super quick and easy. A little applesauce pouch. And last but certainly not least, it's fall winter time, so I got this tomato Thai basil soup. It says tomatoes simmered with ginger, Thai, basil, and garlic. Figured I could make some like a grilled cheese sort of something and this, and hopefully it tastes really good. It looks a lot thinner. I don't know if you guys can tell. It looks a lot thinner than like tomato soup that I think of, so hopefully it's still pretty good. But yeah, I'll definitely be eating that. What's nice about it too is that I think it comes in a cup. Yeah, it says shake contents, remove lid, and then the plastic seal, put the lid back on and put it in the microwave, and then it actually has like a little sipper so you can drink it if you want to. So that's pretty nice to pack in a lunch because that's super easy. But yeah, I definitely am excited to try that. And I think that's everything. Let me double check. Yeah, that's everything. So those are all the groceries that we got. $90 of groceries. I will say, this is not that much food for, in comparison, if you watched my Misfits Market unboxing, we paid like $43, I think it was, for that. And we got a pretty similar amount of food, I think. I will say I did get a couple things that are like fancier, like the gnocchi, the linguine, the sour cream, the soup, and like the carrot cake cookie things. With Misfits Market, I pretty much just got produce and then some chicken stock, I think was the main packaged item that I got. So yeah, I definitely need to do like a further cost analysis and see how, if this is saving us money, or, you know, even if we're paying barely over what we would pay in the grocery store, I'm okay with that, because my time, I think, is better off working on Etsy orders than grocery shopping, because this can make me money, and I would rather, you know, make $50 in an hour or hour and a half that it would take me to grocery shop than, you know, be out grocery shopping, you know what I mean, versus paying a little bit extra to save my time so that I can work. Does that make sense? I don't think that I explained that very well, but you know what I mean. It's like, there's a word for it. It's called like opportunity cost, I think is what I'm trying to think of, where I'm better off spending that time making money than spending the time grocery shopping, because even if I'm paying a little bit more, I would make more working. Okay, I'm going way too far into this. I need to stop. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and hit that big red subscribe button down below. I know I've been bad about uploading every single day of December. I really have just been so busy, because in October it was okay because I was making videos every day. I had a lot of Etsy orders, plus I have a full-time job. But it wasn't the holiday season yet. With the holiday season, there's just a lot more events, which is great. I love seeing people and going to things, but it's also harder because then I have less time at home to edit videos and make videos. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. Oh my gosh, my cats are insane. But anyways, sorry about that. I will be uploading as many times as I can throughout December. So yeah, all right. I think that's everything that I have to say. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!